Hi guys, so this is the IFT integration for Alexa and Chromecast so that we can actually trigger via the devices the local weather which gets kicked off via our local Pi or computer. So basically what happens is goes to IFT sends it to the IoT platform, and in the IoT platform we send it to a device, and on the local Pi we listen to those devices, and if there's an event then we kick this off. So the first thing we have to do is go to the GitHub, and there's a flow for the cloud Node-RED instance and a flow for the local Pi instance. So take that flow and import this into your local Pi, which is here. So remember, we have the dashboard and so forth. So import this. It should look like this. Basically, it listens to the IoT platform, and then it triages if it's a Google trigger or a Alexa trigger. So you need to create in the IoT platform an application key and token. So hopefully you have this set up where you have a Node-RED instance in the cloud. You have connected the IoT platform and the speech-to-text instance. So when you launch the IoT platform, so here's one for application keys, and you need to create a key and a token. And you take this key and token, and in your local Pi, you adjust this here. And then you should get a green thing saying connected. So that's the first thing you have to do. Then the second thing we have to do is in the IoT platform as well, you go to devices and you create a device. I called it just street name and my home Pi. And that's basically used to listen from both sides. Like, you know, we send from the cloud to this device and the Pi listens to this device. So, and then we go back here and take this other flow, the cloud flow. So take that flow, copy that, and then go to the cloud Node-RED instance, which I have somewhere here. Yeah. So this is a cloud Node-RED instance which I set up. So just import the flow. It should look like this. It has two endpoints. So what we need is take this endpoint, so now we have to go to IFT, log on to IFT. So you might have to do some authentication with Alexa or Google, but let's just create a new recipe here. Create. So we're gonna say this guy. I'm gonna say home weather. And when that happens, then we're gonna do a webhook. I'm gonna do a webhook, and I like to add some URLs. I'm gonna do post to our cloud instance. JSON didn't work, so I go with text. I'm gonna guess the date. So now that creates it. So what happens if we say something? Then we should get a web request to our cloud instance. So let's just check this. Alexa, trigger home weather.
Sending that to it.
Okay, and you see this comes in here right away. So this is our trigger from IFT. And at the moment I haven't connected to the IoT platform. So, but if I connect this now to the IoT platform, then this will gonna go to the IoT platform, and then my local Node-RED will pick it up and then triggers the weather connection, right? Okay, let's try this. Alexa, trigger low home weather.
Sending that to IFT.
No.
It is now 7:09 p.m. The local temperature is -2 degrees. The airport temperature is -6 and overcast with wind gusts of 33 kilometers per hour.
Perfect. So let's do the same with, let's go back to IFT. So let's go see my applets. And I have one here for my Google Home. I set that up earlier, I just don't know what the thing is. So here I have to see my balcony weather. So we're gonna do the same thing. So this should come in. Hey Google, what's my balcony weather?
Asking IFT.
So here we see the request coming in. So all I have to do is send this down to my IoT platform, and we should see these in here. So you see there's no Google one. Hey Google, what's my balcony weather?
Asking IFT.
So here's the Google event, and there
It is now 7:11 p.m. The local temperature is -2 degrees. The airport temperature is -6 and overcast with wind gusts of 33 kilometers per hour.
Super. So now we have this connected, so we can ask either of the devices. So you could actually, we could switch this over and have, so I can ask via Google and then have Alexa answering. Hey Google, what's my balcony weather?
Asking IFT. It is now 7:12 p.m. The local temperature is -2 degrees.
See.
The airport temperature is -6 and overcast with wind gusts of 33 kilometers per hour.
Okay, so you can have some fun with that. Okay, so this is it. The next step is probably either the cloud dashboard. Okay, talk to you in a bit.